In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task on Wrike in just 5 minutes. Setting up tasks efficiently can make a significant difference in managing your projects smoothly, and Wrike provides a streamlined way to ensure you're on top of everything. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. First, let's get started by logging into your Wrike account. Open your preferred browser and head to the Wrike website. Once you're there, you'll see the login option right on the home page. Click on that and you'll be directed to a sign-in page. Now, to make the login process quicker and more secure, Wrike offers the option to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on Google and you'll get a list of the Google accounts you're currently signed into on your browser. Select the account you use for Wrike, and just like that, you'll be logged in. Once you're logged into Wrike, you'll land on your main workspace. It's vibrant and filled with the current projects you're working on. To create a task, you'll first need to navigate to the specific project where you want the task to reside. Look for your project's name on the left-hand side of the screen and go ahead and click on it. This will open up your project, revealing all the tasks and progress you're making. Now let's proceed to add a new task. Look toward the top of the project screen and you'll notice a button labeled plus item. This button is your gateway to creating a new task. Click on it and a small window will pop up asking you to enter the details of your new task. Here you can type in the name of the task you're creating. Remember, clarity is key. Give your task a precise and concise name that accurately describes what needs to be done. After typing in the task name, finalize the process by pressing enter on your keyboard. This simple action will save your task and add it to your project. Instantly, your new task will appear in the list ready to be tackled. Wrike automatically organizes your tasks, giving you a structured overview of what needs to be accomplished, and you'll be able to track progress effortlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully created a task in Wrike. By following these steps, you can efficiently create tasks and ensure your projects move forward seamlessly. Feel free to repeat these steps for any new tasks you need to manage your workload effectively. So give yourself a pat on the back for enhancing your project management skills, and thank you for watching. Happy project managing.